Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you love cooking, or just want your kitchen to feel a little more professional, today's video is for you. We're diving into the top 5 best saucepans that deliver perfect heat control, long-lasting durability, and effortless cleanup, whether you're making creamy sauces, boiling pasta, or simmering soups. Each of these pans was handpicked for its quality, performance, and real value for your money. No gimmicks, just pure cooking excellence. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's find out which saucepan truly deserves a spot in your kitchen. Let's get started. Number 5. Made in Cookware 2-quart stainless steel saucier pan. The Made in Cookware 2-quart stainless steel saucier pan is a professional-grade essential designed to deliver precision and performance in every kitchen. Crafted in Italy from 5 layers of premium stainless-clad metal, it ensures exceptional heat control and even distribution for flawless results. With a total diameter of 8.2 inch, cooking surface of 5, and depth of 3.5, it's ideal for sauces, soups, and reductions. The ergonomic handle stays cool during use and is secured with stainless steel rivets for lifelong durability. Measuring 16.3 inch in length and 5.1 high with the handle, this saucier combines beauty and function. Finished with a 430 stainless steel exterior, it's compatible with all cooktops, including induction, making it the perfect blend of craftsmanship, performance, and style. Number 4. Fissler M5 ProPly 5-ply stainless steel saucepan. Experience German-made excellence with the Fissler M5 ProPly 5-ply stainless steel saucepan 3-quart, engineered for professional performance and precision. Its ProPly technology ensures fast, even heating and exceptional temperature control, ideal for sauces, soups, and delicate dishes. The 5-layer bonded construction combines premium 1810 stainless steel with a 3-layer aluminum core, delivering consistent results and lasting durability. With a 3 mm thick body, it retains heat efficiently and resists warping, even at high temperatures. The rivet-free interior provides a smooth, hygienic cooking surface for effortless cleaning, while the sealed rim prevents corrosion for long-term shine. Designed with ergonomic, air-gap handles that stay cool and a sturdy side helper handle, this saucepan offers superior comfort, control, and performance, perfect for both home cooks and culinary professionals. Number 3. Michelangelo Stainless Steel Saucepan Set. The Michelangelo Stainless Steel Saucepan Set includes 3 versatile sizes, 1 cutie, 2 cutie, and 3 cutie, perfect for everyday cooking, from sauces to soups. Crafted from premium 1810 stainless steel with an aluminum core, these pans deliver quick, even heating without hot spots for flawless cooking results. The non-reactive stainless surface preserves natural food flavors, while the flavor-lock glass lids seal in nutrients and taste. Designed for comfort and durability, the Cool Grip stainless steel handles are double riveted by hand for a secure, long-lasting hold. Each pan features an impact-bonded aluminum base for superior heat distribution and professional performance. Compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, glass, and induction cooktops, this set is dishwasher safe and features a mirror polish finish. Oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, it's built for lasting elegance and performance. Number 2. Caraway Stainless Steel Saucepan. The Caraway Stainless Steel Saucepan 1.75 QT redefines clean, high-performance cooking. Designed with 5-ply stainless steel, it delivers exceptional heat conductivity for effortless simmering, sauce reduction, and grain cooking. Brings the heat with professional-grade strength, this pan ensures even heating and superb control for higher temperature cooking. Its clean and safe design eliminates toxic coatings, keeping your meals pure and your kitchen toxin-free. Crafted for modern home chefs, the non-toxic construction is free from PTFE, PFOA, PFAs, lead, and cadmium, ensuring healthier cooking every time. Built for convenience, it's oven-safe and stovetop agnostic, working seamlessly across all heat sources. With efficient heat retention, easy cleanup using just a bit of oil or butter, and eco-conscious craftsmanship, this Caraway saucepan combines safety, style, and long-lasting performance. Number 1. Alva Maestro 1.7 QT Stainless Steel Saucepan. The Alva Maestro 1.7 QT stainless steel saucepan with lid is designed for flawless results every time. Its tri-ply base ensures fast, even heating with no hot spots, making it perfect for soups, grains, and sauces. Crafted from premium 1810 stainless steel, this saucepan resists warping, staining, and reacting with food, ensuring durability and consistent performance. The rivet-free interior provides a smooth, easy-to-clean surface, while the stay-cool handle keeps your hands safe during cooking. Enjoy mess-free pouring with the integrated spout, ideal for both right and left-handed cooks, and the vented glass lid that prevents rattling and boilovers. Compatible with induction, gas, electric, and ceramic cooktops, it's also oven-safe for versatile cooking. PFAS, PFOA, and PTFE-free, the Alva Maestro saucepan offers non-toxic, effortless cooking and quick cleanup for everyday use. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found your perfect saucepan today, don't forget to check links in the description box for each product mentioned. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more honest kitchen gear reviews, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking!